Hello there, YouTubers. Today, I have a this may be a sad video. It's not no exciting video, no happy video, no confusion video, no math video. We have another broken ceiling fan, as you can see. This ceiling fan was from my grandma's room, as you can see. You can see how broken it is. You can see that most of the blades are gone. Well, the chains are not like gone or something. You can see. Well, it still pulls, but we don't know which speed it is on. That's why you have to be careful by putting up a ceiling fan when you buy one. So you have to be careful installing it. And also be careful installing like different antique stuff. This is not antique actually. It's I forgot the name of it. It's probably it's probably a Fasco fan or some random builder fan. This is the switch for like reversing which way you want to go it, like counterclockwise or clockwise. Well, now I call it counterclockwise or clockwise. Here is the light switch. I'm gonna use it circuit breaker even though it's broken. Now circuit breaker here. Okay. The thing is that this fan got taken down is because I don't know why it got taken down for a reason. There's only one blade on, that's why. Oh my god. This fan is broken, seriously. Right now I'm in the garage, guys. Also, we have a broken TV I already reviewed. It's just my voice was like high pitch. YouTubers, I didn't break the fan, guys. Sometimes I like trying to make it wobble. I didn't like use like something dangerous, like something like this, like doing that or something. That's just like something for gardening. You can see this fan is disgusting now. You can still see the wires. Let me see if I can find the other one. I think I already know where it is. It's in the crawl space. That was the secret passageway video, guys. Guys, I actually, that secret passageway, do not ask the name about or what he or she does. Like that person I showed you, that box, okay, hold on. I think I found something here that, hold on. I think I found like a mail thing from like 3 years ago. It says, return to sender, can't pipe probably is sleeping. Do not ask about my dad. That's my dad's name. This used to be the fan chain, guys. I should have made a video, guys, before. It's some random builder fan, guys, and these are like how Tracy Barnes said about the kitchen fan. He said it's not a she, it's a he. Well, it kind of sounds like it. It's not like a Hunter fan. He said I'm sorry, I keep messing up. He said had 3 speeds, all of a sudden 2 speeds, all of a sudden. I'm not sure, 2 speeds or 1 speed. I bet it's only 1 speed that broke the fan, maybe. I'm not sure why, maybe because they didn't use it for a long time. This fan actually, that fan, guys, I'm just reviewing, is that this is a horrible broken ceiling fan. It's a Sears ceiling fan. I already found it in my mind. And only one blade is left. As you can see, I'm not sure if this is the one I already reviewed. I showed you. I'm sorry, guys. Dogs may bark like when they heard that loud bang noise in our garage. Right now, guys, we're moving. That's why there's so much junk here. I'm not too sure if that fan is like, if it's the same one I'm reviewing. This one is actually the broken one that they took down from my grandmother's room. And all of a sudden, the crawl space is empty. You can see it's a horrible broken ceiling fan. Can't put it back up because it still works, but hold on, guys. Wait, this is the Sears ceiling fan that was sitting on the ceiling longer than my ceiling fan because I wanted mine to stay up longer. I wanted my grandmother to take the other one down first. My grandmother's, which is good. Both fans are down. Now they're all light and stuff, and that's not good. I wanted like a ceiling fan, but now we can't buy a ceiling fan because we're moving all of a sudden. But I'll make a video of like ceiling fans in my new house, but I may not know where there may be ceiling fans. Downstairs there won't be ceiling fans. That's why I usually this fan is junk. It's like all junk. It's like this used to be where the light bulb was before. Like this is where it was before. And all those wires and stuff I'm showing you is that to power the fan on. I mean, not for the. What I mean is that's to plug it into the ceiling. That's why it's called a ceiling fan. And this is the light chain where you pull it to turn on the light and off, but the actual switch is on the wall actually. You can either use light on or light off because people have still these ceiling fans. This is all junk because we're gonna throw this fan away by now because I already showed you mine fan, but it actually now it's junk. What happened is that, guys, is my fan actually got taken down for some reason because my mom said it because the ceiling is like way low, too low, I think. Yeah, I think I was right. And this fan, seriously, it's dead. I know it still works. Like someone said that, like in the comments. Poor old broken ceiling fan. This is gonna be my second one I made, but right now I'm outside. And if you YouTubers know, ask tell me if you guys have a ceiling fan on the floor of your house. This is like a broken fan, guys. It's all junk because see, all wires are broken. The chains work still. You can still pull it, but it won't do anything. Like nothing spins. It's a poor old fan. Poor old broken ceiling fan. The part 2. Well, it still works. Someone will say that. Maybe a different person. Well, circuit breaker I cannot use because now it's broken. You can see all the blades are gone. See? Well, the difference about our ceiling fans is that we had different screws and stuff. The reason why mine got took down is it had 2 screws only. My grandmother's had 10. This one like is broken, guys. You see? This part is like the dangerous part. Like it was connected to the ceiling to a special ceiling fan outlet, as you can see. Now this is all junk. I might have to kick this outside of my very old house. Well, YouTubers, I just saw someone like running down our sidewalk for some reason. Hold on, guys, and then I'll start talking. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you It still has that switch thing I already showed you. YouTubers, the garage that's closing, as you can see, we zoom on your YouTube camera. Guys, do not, ask anything about them. The thing about this fan, guys, is this fan will never, like, survive. It's like, it's broken. Never gonna work. I think that person was wrong. It still works. That's what he or she did say about the fan for some reason. Now it's broken. It's a broken ceiling fan that is sad. I mean dead, And now it's like now outside. I'm right now outside of the house. It's sunset right now. Oh, here's these are the blades that were they used to spin, and you can pull. This thing you pull is for the speed, but it had a low 1, low 2, medium and high, and off. That would be 5 speeds, but off isn't considered a speed because it doesn't do anything. It's like this, nothing. It's just not running. The thing is, it was actually a very nice fan, the ceiling fan I'm talking about right now. Now we don't have the BMW, as you notice. We have the Mercedes, the 2000 something Ford car, and the newest van I reviewed. This is just junk. A stupid. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry to say that. This is an old junk ceiling fan that we're gonna throw away before we move, because we're gonna be moving by like either Thursday or Friday. Because it's gonna be this week, and then we have to get ready, and I have to sleep early on Thursday, either Wednesday or Thursday or something like that. Oh, old junk. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the poor old ceiling fan part 2. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, and of course, peace out. So there you have it.